Bloom. Bloom. Quit playing. Quit playing. Quit playing. Quit playing, Bloom. Quit playing. Quit playing. Quit playing. Hi guys, how are you doing? I am presenting little Bloom here for you. You know, I am telling her endlessly to quit playing. She's not listening. I said to her, it's not me who is saying quit playing. This is R. Kelly who is saying quit playing, quit playing. I don't know. He's talking to who, I don't know. Anyway, about Bloom, she don't give a chicken wing about R. Kelly telling us to quit playing. Now, R. Kelly, his interview. Focus, 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 focus. I have problem with my camera, I think. No, it's focusing. Yeah. Now, R. Kelly interview. I want to do a little quick reaction about that. R. Kelly, in his interview, he told he was telling people to do things, quit playing, use your common sense. And now let me check the room, the office of common sense, and the room of come on now, R. Kelly. This is the room of common sense, the office, and this is the office of come on now, R. Kelly. So I'm going real quick to the common sense office. As soon as I get inside, they kick me out. They said to me they have nothing to do with R. Kelly. Nothing. Common sense has nothing to do with R. Kelly. So let's check come on now, R. Kelly room, office. I mean office. Can't stop saying. Can last forever, guys. It can last forever. It can last forever. They said to me, in the come on now R. Kelly office, he belongs there. R. Kelly belong to come on now R. Kelly. So the other thing that he was saying, he said, I don't know why in this man he's been there is he's in the middle of these things, and he was talking during his interview about helicopter, you understand? I don't know. And yeah, he was hella crying, hella tears, and you know, this man's eyes must be connected to the ocean, man. Now I want to tell you that I'm not trying to make fun of victims, because they are the victims, but I am making fun of R. Kelly, the personality, the man. They used to call him genius. There is no geniusity, you understand? And this is the measure. The behavior of human being is a measure, not what he's doing of work, what he's invented, what he created, what he built, how many millions he has, how many billion he has. The measure of a human being, the measure of the intelligence of a human being is his behavior. So this R. Kelly, he wasn't a genius. Even I don't care what kind of music he have done, he's not a genius. And also during his interview, he tried to teach us something. He said it is stupid to do that. For me, although all my where I came from and my problems in the past, you know, it would be stupid to control women and this and this and R. Kelly, I cannot. Yes, it's stupid to do that, but I am not going to even. I don't know how to call you. You understand? If I call you stupid, it will be protest. The stupid will be protest tomorrow all over the world. You know, big protestation of stupid people because they link you, R. Kelly, to them. So I cannot. You know, if there is no word, I can nothing. I have noticed that this man, he has problem dealing with adult women. He has his personality. It will take time to make analyzing his personality, but this one thing I have noticed, that he has problem dealing with adult women. And with the journalist Gael, each time she said to him facts and defeat him. For example, when she have said to him, you know, why these girls, many of them, they don't even know each other, they accuse you. He point his finger for her. You know, each time she have pointed very clearly that he is lying. He pointed his finger, and even when he stood up and start to make his come on now, R. Kelly, theatrical play he have done, crying and everything. It was because she pointed, she was direct and told him that I believe those girls or something like that, you know. She didn't say she believes those girls, but she pointed that he's lying, you understand? So I think, of course, I don't give a chicken wing about why R. Kelly he do this, or you know, but it's kind of analyzing, you know. I really I do think about sociopath and psychopathic people, you know. And one of the topics that and subjects that interest me much is child abuse, you know, and the pedophilia. I'm interested on that, and I will make another videos talking about that. And you know, I just like that. It's not something that I intended to do, but I find myself the criminality as general, why people do this. So I just, you know, and yeah. So as I said, one of his problems, R. Kelly, he cannot deal with adult women. So he go and seek those little girls and young girls. They are not even women when he just he get in contact with them, you understand? So this is my reaction, and I will say that yeah, I just hope that this man he be locked for the rest of his life. I know that he's not judge, he's not been condemned or judged yet, but at least this man he had problems with justice 3 times for child support for this accusation, and in the past even he used the word I beat my case. I don't know, maybe this is there is many English terms that I don't know. I don't know why someone who has something to do with justice and he has a case, why he don't say that I was innocented by court, and not saying like playing, quit playing, and now he say I beat my case, as if he was playing with another team, or I don't know. Anyway, guys, have a nice time and have a nice day and be safe, and see you in my other videos. Quit playing.